You want to see me shake my ears?
Yeah. That's crazy.
Is it crazy?
Yeah.
Try it. It's fun.
I can't do it.
Where's your ears?
Right here.
Oh, your ears are small.
Yeah.
My ears are big
Oh.
because I'm a rabbit.
Oh.
I like to shake my ears.
Oh.
See, the dog is smiling, right? And the turtle, is he smiling?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the lion, is he smiling?
No.
I think, well, no, he's not. How does he look?
No.
He's just looking like this. But the bunny's smiling, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how does Corduroy look?
No.
I don't know. I wonder what's going to happen.
No.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't like this stuff.
You don't like what stuff?
This.